Hey guys, Mike and Turbo's back at it again. As you can see, it snowed. And I literally washed the car yesterday because it was 60 degrees yesterday. 60, and now it's 30. So I'm a little pissed off, you know. It's okay, it's okay. I'm not gonna let the snow ruin my day because tomorrow we are going to Fiat on the Dragon. So I'm not letting anything piss me off. Hold on one second. All right, guys. So I have to fill her up. You know, I gotta go to the gas station, put some 93 octane gas in here because that's one less thing I have to do tomorrow morning before I leave to meet up with all my friends to go to Fiat on the Dragon. So let's start this baby up, huh? Let's do this. Why isn't my car starting? What's going on, man? Just had to put a brand new battery in because my battery died, and tomorrow we're leaving. Can you believe this? It's like the world doesn't want me to go to Fiat the Dragon tomorrow. Unbelievable. But like I said, nothing's stopping me. You know I love mama, right? Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry about the last part, but I was getting in my car to go fill up my car with gas, right? Get in the car, turn the key, and she doesn't turn on. I'm like, what? Pretty much when I turned the key, power came on. I heard the fuel pump. I heard the starter going. And I'm like, what could it be? And then on my dashboard, everything was going haywire. It said high coolant, hill climb, this on and off. I was like, wow. So I was like, you know what? It could be the battery, you know? I admit I should have checked the battery because it is the original battery, and this is a 2013 Abarth. So that's my bad. Yeah, that's my bad. So went to AutoZone, got another battery, put it in, and also put a little extra oil in the car, and put a little bit of Lucas inside as well, and we're good to go. Check the tire pressure as well. 38 pounds in the front, 32 pounds in the back, and yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna go get some gas. Let's take a ride. All right, she feels good. So it's like someone doesn't want me going to Tennessee to, you know, go on Tail the Dragon and all the other amazing roads that are over there, because first my bushings and links both break. Now, literally the night before I leave, my battery dies. Unbelievable. What's next? You know? I think it was about a month ago, I got my brand new tires, and I got a flat. But like I said, nothing is stopping me from going tomorrow. I am going. I was not able to go to the last event because of work. So I really want to go. Like I said, I've been planning this trip for the last 6 months, and I want to go. Which way should I go? Should I go left or right? Which gas station should I go to? Let's go to BP. All right. So yeah, I'm just filling up the gas tank now, just so it's one less thing I have to do tomorrow morning. You know. So tomorrow we're meeting up at 10 a.m. in Long Island. There's going to be about 7 of us meeting up, and then we're all going to roll out at 10 a.m. So that means I have to wake up at, I would say I'll wake up at like 6:30 just to get ready, you know. I don't have to rush. I already have all my tools in the back of the car. So just last minute preps. But yeah, man, I'm excited. I'm really excited. Let's see. Okay.
ESPN, right now on GS.
Those are the gas prices. Lovely, huh? Always super